guys, we are still in Walmart, and if you can believe it, Manny is still finding baby stuff. Look at this, you guys. We just went down another clearance aisle, and this is the only stuff we can find. So we're going to go through this pretty fast. Again, this is the reason why we tell you guys to scan, because you guys cannot believe these yellow tags. This is the Harmony breast pump, and we showed this before, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, so couple times. We did well. That's all we're going to say.
It's all my resellers. Where's that?
We did well. So I'm going to show you the UPC again. There it is. And again, this is the Harmony breast pump. And you guys can see it says 24.28. Where are my glasses? Okay, 24.28. And then you guys can see the price of $20.65. And we're going to go ahead and scan the most important part. Look at that, $5. Can you make your phone a little brighter?
That's better than when I got it originally.
Was it? Oh, I can't remember. We buy so much stuff.
I paid $6.25 or something.
Ah, all right. Now you can see it. So again, they have this sticker on there, and this is why this stuff is still here, because nobody scans and everyone looks at this sticker price. Again, boom, $5. We actually found 3 of those. So we got 3 of these right here. And then these are Parents' Choice. And this is, what is this for?
Sterilizer bags for milk.
Oh, I should know that by now.
You should.
All right. Regular price is $4.52. It says $2.40. That's what it looks like. This has 5 bags. I'm going to show you the UPC. There you go. And that's cute. These are these can go in a microwave. And we're gonna go ahead and scan it. Look at that. $1. Only on Angel on the Go. This is exactly why you guys have to follow us. If you guys know someone that's having a baby, these will be perfect. You guys can stock up now while they're on clearance. Or if you're pregnant, or if you wanna resell, right?
Perfect for resell.
Resell. Okay, so the next one we're going to show you is a Parents' Choice. This is a cooler ice block. What is this for? And it's really heavy, you guys. It feels like a weight. You guys can see the regular price is $3.96. It says it's $2.45. What is this for? Okay, it keeps breast milk safe up to 8 hours when completely frozen. That's good. So if you guys are looking for something like this, there's the UPC. And you're only going to find these prices on Angel on the Go. Look at this. Boom. $1. $1.
Can't beat it.
You can't beat it. So we're getting it. Mm-hmm. And we're going to resell it. Come on. All right. So the next thing we have, let's see. I don't know what this is. I just grabbed it. You want to hold that? All right. Wait. Okay. This is the Tommy Tippy Made for Me. And it says new right here. What is this? Oh, this is a single electric breast pump. You guys, I swear I don't even look at this stuff. I just grab it when I scan. So it looks like this is, again, an electric breast pump.
Shit like the other one, pretty much. Just electric.
Yeah, but that's nice. All right. You guys see it has this little security code thing on it. So you know it's expensive. Got it? All right. So that's the handle it comes with. That's how you pump it right here. About the Made for Me breast pump. Okay, that's information on it. All right. There's the UPC. Wait, hold on. Let me move this. There you guys go. And we're going to go ahead and scan this. First, let's show them this. Look at this. It says $99.97. So about $100 regular price. Mm-hmm. It's down to $60 according to Walmart sticker. And according to Angel on the Go, it is, boom, $25. $25.
That's 75% off right there.
75% off. Mm-hmm. All right, so up next, we have, what is that, Medilla?
Yeah.
Oh, Medilla Swing. This is a a breast pump too, single electric. So this is another electric breast pump, you guys. And let's see, this is what it looks like. Again, it has a security thing, so you know it's expensive. Let me turn it to the back. This will be perfect for anybody having a baby. Look at that. So it comes with all of this. Again, it's a single electric. This is really nice, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the UPC. And look at this regular price. I cannot make this up. $169.88.
Now the crazy part about that is they absolutely were getting that price when it came out.
Yeah, people are buying it. They need electric breast pumps, I guess.
They were getting that price.
I guess I'm a clearance shopper. That's why I didn't breast pump. That's expensive. All right, so again, you guys, regular price is $169.88, and it says it was on sale for $68. We're gonna go ahead and scan this one too. All right, so I'm gonna leave it down here. Look at that, $40. 40 bucks. I'm gonna put this phone right here. There you guys go. Look at that. $169.88 down to 40 bucks. Only on Angel on the Go. This is the stuff that we found so far. I thought we were done with all the baby stuff, but hey, I'll continue getting the baby stuff because when Manny says yes, it's a yes because he sells these things like crazy. And you guys know I'm not pregnant and don't plan on being pregnant again. I am absolutely done. You hear me? You hear me?
Real awkward right now.
We're done. But we're actually showing you guys this because this is a perfect thing to start off. If you guys haven't started reselling, if you guys can find some of this stuff in Walmart at these prices, definitely try to grab them and put them up for sale.
This is gold.
Gold.
When we tell you gold, gold is gold. Get it.
All right, here's another item that we just found. Here's the name. And this is a smart woman bowl designed for breast milk. I have no clue what half the stuff is. Look how nice it looks. All right, you guys go. Yeah, that's nice. Look at that. So here's what it looks like. You guys go. And he's dropping stuff. Let me show you the UPC. And can you scan this one? The regular price on this is $13.92. Got it? All right. $13.92 down to $3.50. That's a good price.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So again, if you guys are looking for this or want to start reselling, this is only $3.50. All right, you guys, we are at a second Walmart and we just went to one and showed you a bunch of baby items on sale. Look at this. This is Medela, and this is the same one as yeah, the breast pump. So look at this. This is a pump and style advanced on the go tote. So it looks like, look at this, man. Look. So you get this. You get that. It says it comes with one breast pump plus accessories. You get that bonus offer. What is all this right here?
Like a backpack, like a...
Yeah, it has like a, I don't know, little buttons and stuff. This is a huge box, you guys. All right, Manny's gonna bring up the Walmart app. Okay, so here's what's in the box. So you get that. You get 4 of the bottles. You get the breast shields. You get the breast shield connectors. You get that. Let's see. You get the coolant element. I have no clue what this is. A cooler. You get the tube in, the battery pack. Oh, so you get a battery pack, Manny. An adapter. The instructions. All right, here's the back of the box. And we're gonna show you the UPC. Can you flip that?
Oh, yeah.
And this box is huge, you guys. Got it? There's the UPC, and we're gonna scan it. Can you pick this up real fast? Let me show you the UPC. One more time. Okay, we're gonna flip it. We're gonna show you the ticket price. All right, so right here it says $156. $156. Then it has the yellow tag at $140. We're gonna go ahead and scan this. This is a first on Angel on the Go. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Look at this, $40.
I don't care what you do. Nobody beating that.
$40.
That's $100 off the clearance price.
That's $100 off the clearance price, you guys. And they actually have 2,
3.
3. Oh, they have 3. All right, so we're definitely taking those. They have this right here. This looks like these are the connectors. So I'm gonna go ahead and scan it while Manny's putting those in the cart. Let's see. Here's the UPC. And the regular price on these is $29.98. It does say $15. And can you scan it? I want to see if it's 15 or not.
No.
This is $7. So what we're going to do is we'll probably leave these. But we're definitely getting these right here. These are only $40. Only on Angel on the Go.